Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, getting our day started off here at Jacktown, not Moody Town. I was out trying to find some parts for the Train Tracker 2000, and I heard a northbound man call a clear signal at Pharaoh. So I thought I could make it over here in time to catch him. I think it may be M692, or it could be an empty coal train. I'm really not sure. But anyway, we're going to hang out here and catch him. Hope this works out okay. I'm kind of right into the sun. I guess you could hear by the radio traffic that was actually M692. Okie dokie, we're back up at Moody Town, this time for a southbound loaded Terrell Coal train C403. Boy, TO's got them down to a crawl. dokie, just those two, but that was awesome. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll hopefully get some transportation of my own in short order, I hope anyway, so I can start getting out a little bit earlier in the morning. I can't get out till about 8:30 or 9 o'clock with taking the missus to work, but I'll be back out trackside tomorrow, see what I can come up with. See you guys then.